I was hesitant to talk about the Israeli occupation of Palestine and what's going on there currently. But Obama, this tweet you made, it's not it. And I didn't stop and started and deleted and did this video so many times that I'm going to just give you a disclaimer. I acknowledge that this conversation requires a lot of complexity and compassion because a lot of us out west, including myself, has been educated through a lens that is very one-sided. You see what I'm saying? With that being said, we should always already have energy when innocent civilians are being slaughtered. The last disclaimer I want to make is words are important. And how we construct narratives with those words usually dictate who we care about, how we care about them, and who we don't give a damn about. Let's get into this tweet. Obama said all Americans should be horrified and outraged by the brazen terrorist attack on Israel and the slaughter of innocent civilians. Innocent civilians. We're going to get to that part back later on. We grieve for those who died, pray for the safe return of those who've been held hostage, and stand squarely alongside our ally, Israel, as it dismantles Hamas. As we support Israel's right to defend itself against terror, we must keep striving for a just and lasting peace for Israelis and Palestinians alike.
Okaneme, orata, uwa, nature, nature, duku, duk, dike, noku, nok, medu, monde, neta, monde. Ruler, God, na EKE, while the modern word for ruler na medu neta. From my ire neta na nita. Relenti to orata ata tata pata ta na father ni ri eni na di nita na the father